OnePlus recently launched Ace 3 Pro and reportedly is already looking ahead to the Ace 5 series. According to Leakster digital chat station, the new phone will inherit a lot of specs from the previous Ace. The OnePlus Ace 5 will have a 6.78-inch 8T LTPO screen. The screen will offer a 1.5K resolution and have a microcurvature design. The device will also feature an alert slider. The OnePlus Ace 3 featured the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and a 5500 mAh battery. It appears that the Ace 5 will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 on board. In terms of the battery, it looks like the Ace 5 will have a massive 6200 mAh dual-cell battery with 100W fast charging support. The Ace 5 will have a 50-megapixel primary camera backed by a large camera sensor. Lastly, the OnePlus Ace 3 launched in January 2024. Perhaps the Ace 5 launch could take place in China by the end of this year. Also, as the Ace 3 got rebranded as the OnePlus 12 or globally, the Ace 5 could launch in the global markets as the OnePlus 13R. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.